In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Grammarly in Outlook. It's a straightforward process that will immensely improve your writing by helping you spot and correct grammar and spelling mistakes effortlessly. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to the Grammarly for Microsoft Office page. You can find this page quite easily by searching for Grammarly for Microsoft Office in your favorite search engine. Once you're there, you'll see a prominent button labeled Download. Go ahead and click on it to initiate the download of the Grammarly installer. After the installer is finished downloading, you'll want to open it and begin the setup process. As the installation wizard guides you through the steps, you'll be prompted to select which applications you want Grammarly to integrate with. At this point, make sure to choose Outlook. Once you've made your selections, continue with the installation process. When the installation is complete, you'll need to restart Outlook to ensure that the changes take effect properly. If you had Outlook open during the installation, make sure to close it completely and then reopen it. This step is crucial to successfully integrate Grammarly into Outlook. Next, open Outlook, and we'll move on to enabling Grammarly within the application itself. Navigate to the top menu and click on File. From there, you'll see an option labeled Options at the bottom of the list. After you click on that, a new window will appear. Look for add-ins in the sidebar of this window. Once you're in the add-ins section, you'll want to enable Grammarly. This might involve simply checking a box next to Grammarly, or clicking on a Manage button to adjust the settings. If you encounter different options, read through them carefully to ensure that Grammarly is indeed activated. Now that Grammarly is installed and enabled, let's make sure it's working correctly. The best way to do this is to open a new email. You can do this by clicking the New Email button, usually found in the top left corner of the Outlook window. Start typing your email, and as you do so, keep an eye on your text. Grammarly will underline any errors or suggestions as you type. You'll find this feature incredibly helpful for catching mistakes that might otherwise slip through in your writing. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and set up Grammarly in Outlook. Now you can enjoy writing emails with the confidence that your grammar and spelling are being actively checked and improved. As you continue using Grammarly, you might find additional features and tips that enhance your experience even further. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.